In this video, I'm going to show you how to recharge your Alipay wallet quickly and safely. Whether you're topping up for online shopping, bills, or sending money, this guide has you covered. First, open the Alipay app and log in to your account. From the home screen, tap on Balance or My Wallet. You'll see the option to top up or recharge. If you're in China, you can link a local bank card directly and recharge instantly. Just enter the amount, confirm with your payment password, and you're done. If you're outside China, you can use overseas top-up services like Wise, Western Union, or third-party platforms that partner with Alipay. On those platforms, choose Alipay as the recipient method, enter your Alipay ID, and complete the payment. Make sure the service is legit and supports your region. Once the transfer is complete, your Alipay wallet should reflect the new balance within minutes. If this video helped you recharge your Alipay wallet, please like and subscribe for more practical money tips. Thanks for watching.